you think you can do that to me? Nope, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Just talk to my son, please. Please stop. Just stop, please.
Oh, she can get 1 count of battery, 1 count of resist, and 1 count of corruption by threat.
This bodycam caught from Palm Beach County, Florida, where what began as a routine traffic stop quickly escalated into a serious arrest. The incident highlights how behavior, not just driving, can dramatically change the outcome of a police encounter.
Hi. How you doing?
I am so sorry, I'm just trying to go back to my hotel, and I know I was speeding. I'm so sorry.
You got your driver's license, registration, proof, and insurance?
Goodness, where's my purse?
Where are you coming from? Huh?
I was at an Airbnb where my son is at. He plays football, so I'm here. So we're here for his 7-on-7 football team.
Okay.
And I came from where they were staying, and I'm going back to my place.
Okay. You have your driver's license, registration, insurance?
I do, but I think it's in the back.
In the back where? Put the windows down for me.
The window is down.
The back windows. Put all the windows down.
Sure, no problem.
Where in the back is it?
I hope I didn't leave it at the house. Can I get out and look, or?
You don't know where it is?
I thought it was here, but it is not. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry, here it is. It fell on the floor. Oh my God, please, I just want to get back to my Airbnb.
Well, how much have you had to drink tonight?
I did have a glass of wine, I'm not going to lie.
A glass of wine?
I did, yes.
And how long ago was that?
An hour ago?
Deputies clocked the driver, later identified as 46-year-old Christina Laboy, traveling at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. Excessive speed alone is a major safety concern and grounds for an immediate traffic stop. When deputies made initial contact, Laboy appeared nervous but cooperative. She admitted to drinking wine earlier in the evening, prompting officers to evaluate whether impairment was present.
Alright, we're going to go right up here.
Oh my God, okay.
Right to the front of your car. Just step up there for me. Turn to face me.
Step up where?
Right here. Step right there. Right, turn to face me. Alright. What I'm going to ask you to do is to perform some field sobriety exercises, okay?
Okay.
I want to make sure that you're safe to drive.
That's fine.
Okay?
Yeah.
So what I need you to do is put your feet together. Arms down to your side. Alright? And the only thing I need you to do right now... Alright, look at me. Keep your head straight.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, just keep your head straight and follow the pin with your eyes only. There you go. Right here.
I'm sorry, I really see it.
Say it again?
I said I can see it, I just can't really follow it, but I'm...
Okay, do you have any issues with your eyes?
I have contacts in.
You have contacts in?
Yes.
But your eyes are fine? You don't have any other issues?
No, I don't, but sometimes it's hard to follow, but I can follow it.
Officers assessed the situation using standard DUI indicators. Based on their observations at the time, deputies determined there was not sufficient evidence to make a DUI arrest.
Alright, go ahead. You can begin the task if you understand it or you don't have any questions.
Oh, I got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around, right?
Alright, come up here a little bit. Stay on the line. Alright, so here's the deal. Is there someone that can come pick you up? You have someone that can pick you up?
My son can.
Your son can pick you up?
Yeah.
He hasn't been drinking tonight?
No, my gosh, no.
Okay.
At this point, deputies were prepared to issue a citation rather than make an arrest, a common outcome when impairment cannot be legally established.
Called me, but let me see if someone else.
Hello.
Hey, where about are you?
I'm really doing close by here, but
Okay, so listen, I got pulled over. And they're not going to let me drive. So if you can, like, come where I'm at. I know, it's so crazy. Like, it's so ridiculous.
yeah, I mean, are you going to be able to send me your location?
I was trying to send it to you earlier, and I couldn't figure out how to send it to you.
You're on Forest Hill Boulevard and 441, just south of the intersection.
Forest Hill Boulevard?
And 441.
And 441?
Just south of the intersection.
Just south of the intersection, if that means anything to you, I don't know. Is it, like, can I, like, pull in, like, at least, like, somewhere? No? Okay.
Can you, Devin?
Huh?
You're jamming.
Wait, I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I said you're jamming.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, it's so ridiculous.
Alright, okay. Can you turn that down though and tell me what it is?
So let me, I'll text you the address. Hold on one second. So what is it?
Forest Hill Boulevard.
Wait, hold on. Forest Hill Boulevard. Uh-huh.
And US 441.
And, I've been hearing that, 441.
Does your friend live here?
Yeah.
Alright, she's right in front of the Wellington Mall. On 441.
I don't know if you heard him.
I'm trying to look at it.
Okay.
When deputies reapproached the vehicle, Laboy's demeanor changed dramatically. What had been a routine interaction quickly became confrontational.
You've got indicators of impairment, but not enough for me to arrest you and take you to gun club, okay? So I'm gonna let you slide tonight. You're gonna go home.
You're not letting me slide, like, you're like...
You are. You're not getting arrested and you're not getting a ticket.
Because there's, like you just said, there's not enough for you to do that.
It's enough for me to tell you not to drive your vehicle.
Right, and I'm not going to drive it. That's why I called my son.
That's why I said we're letting you slide. We're not taking
your car. But that's not letting me slide.
We're not arresting you.
Because you don't have enough. That's what you're saying. Like, it doesn't make sense.
Ma'am, why are you still arguing with me? I'm
not arguing with you. I'm not arguing with you. You just said I'm letting her know that there's not enough for me to let you slide.
To take you to jail. Yes.
That's so disrespectful on so many levels. You don't know
it my is background.
For you to say that to him.
It is. Nope,
and
it
for
is.
you to say that to me. You don't know my background. You don't know his background.
First of all, I wasn't talking to you.
I don't care. You're talking to my partner. Let's get that first fact.
Listen.
Second of all, when he says you slide, he should have wrote you a bunch of tickets.
So
go
sit
don't
down
go out on the road.
Let me get my
phone.
phone.
Go sit down in the car.
Let me get my phone. No, so don't disrespect me. Because you think you can do that to me. Nope, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
All right, just have a seat in your car until your rides get here.
No, but you're going to keep talking, right?
Laboy began making inflammatory and offensive statements directed at deputies and others. Officers avoided engaging with the content of the remarks and focused instead on de-escalation and control of the scene.
Don't disrespect me. I did not disrespect you. Don't you dare disrespect me. No, I did not.
No argue.
No, I did. Oh, now you want to be quiet, right? Yep. Uh-huh. I'm going to tell you what, you don't know who I am, but you're about to find out. It's funny, now you're recording, you're going to be quiet. Because you told me I don't know your background. You were in my face, pointing your finger in my face? You were. It's funny how now you step back. Are you on your way? I'm going to tell you what, this fucking little motherfucker, as like I said nothing to them, and this bitch wants to talk shit to me? The cop. Yep. No, and as soon as I recorded, she shut her mouth. Yeah, she has no idea who the f we are. But anyway, just get your ass here because this will be taken care of after you pick me up. But I'm so sick of fucking racism. And she was literally in my face. And she's like, you don't know me. And I'm like, it's funny how she was putting her fingers in my face. And now she wants to say like, no, I didn't. Stupid dumb bitch. Are you coming or not?
Yes.
But, I mean, seriously, like, is his grandfather bringing you?
Yes. My mom has.
Yeah, I have your license. For the fuckers that want to check everything, because, like, you know, you're American in America. Dumb bitch. Want to talk shit to me, you little bitch.
Deputies repeatedly attempted to calm the situation, giving clear verbal commands and warnings. De-escalation is always preferred when possible. Even during highly emotional encounters, the encounter crossed a legal threshold when Laboy physically struck a deputy. At that moment, the situation escalated from a traffic stop to a violent offense.
Funny you're keeping your mouth shut, because you're recording me. I know you're recording me, but did you get her talking shit to me? That little bitch. I'll fucking the shit on you, little fucking douchebag.
Alright, and that's there. Go ahead and put the phone
No,
down.
listen, let me just talk to my son, please.
Put the phone down.
Please stop. Just stop, please.
Turn
All right,
around.
no,
Turn
stop.
around. Turn around. Christina, turn around.
Just stop.
Turn around.
Okay, where's my phone? All right, it's fine. Turn around. Like he asked me to.
Turn around.
Just let me talk to my son. Yep, of course.
You pat her down. Turn around.
No, pat me down. Don't let her touch me.
Turn around.
Don't let her touch me. Don't
She's
you
gonna
dare.
pat you down.
No, she's not. Don't touch me. Let my son come, please. Where's my phone?
Do you have anything on you that could
No,
poke me? Anything
no,
like that?
I do not.
Please look forward, ma'am. Thank you.
No, I don't. I know you wanted to touch me. Yep. Like, you can stop. I have nothing on
Stop, Christina.
you. No, you need to stop. Like, I did not do anything. But you being fucking racist. Like, just stop and leave me alone.
Good?
Yep.
Alright, come on back here.
Yeah, that's fucking control that you have. That you can do that. Just give me my phone. Where's my phone?
Your phone's gonna go with you.
No, where's my phone?
Have a seat.
Just give me my phone. Where
Go ahead
is
and have
it?
a seat.
No, where's my phone?
Christina, have a seat in the car.
Give me my phone so I can talk to my son.
Have a seat.
No, you need to stop harassing me. This is sexual harassment. Don't touch my leg.
Christina, have a seat in the car.
You're sexually harassing me. You're sexually harassing me. Don't touch me.
No, you're actually arrested. Have a seat or you're gonna be tased.
No.
Sit in the
You're
car.
sexually harassing me.
Have a seat. We don't want you to get hurt. Have a seat, please.
Christina.
You're sexually harassing me.
Christina,
Stop.
stop. You're
No.
making it worse.
No.
Have a seat.
No, you didn't have to do that.
Have a seat.
Let me talk to my son.
Have a
When you sit down, you'll talk to your son.
Let me talk to my son.
Have a seat, Christina.
Let me talk to my son. Oh, because you can harass me? Like, no, you can harass me though, that's okay?
sit down.
No, but you can harass me. I have a broken leg, don't you dare.
So sit down.
Don't you dare.
Grab her leg.
Don't you dare.
She's going in the car.
Listen, stop harassing me.
Stop kicking me.
I didn't kick you. I did not kick you.
Sit back.
No.
Christina, stop.
You said I could talk to my son. Let me talk to my son.
Your son, when you
Nope.
stop resisting,
you
ma'am.
told me
Look
that
this way. Let him seatbelt
No.
you so you can be safe in the car.
you told me I could talk to my son.
He said as soon as you sit down and you're secure.
Right, no, he didn't
You're
say that.
not sit
Let
down
go of
and
the
secure.
seatbelt,
Let
Christina.
go.
Let me talk to my son.
Let go of the seatbelt.
Let me talk to my son.
Once physical contact occurred, deputies were legally justified in taking Laboy into custody. Battery on a law enforcement officer is a serious charge under Florida law.
You need to stop harassing me. Let me talk to my son.
Put your foot in the car.
Just let me talk to my son. That's all I'm
Put your
asking you.
foot Put
All
your
I'm
foot
asking you-
in the car.
All I'm asking you.
I told you I would, but you don't want to put your
No,
foot in the car.
you need to loosen these.
Listen, ma'am.
No, you need to loosen this. No, this is hurting.
Do anything if you're
This
not
is hurting.
listening.
This is hurting my
You're not
arms.
listening.
Loosen this now. It's hurting my arms.
Ma'am,
No,
you're fighting and making
loosen it. It's hurting my arms.
You want to argue?
No,
We're not
it's
gonna
loosen.
move our safety
Loosen
because
it.
you're being too
It's hurting my
confident.
arms. No, you're hurting.
Ma'am.
It's listen.
Stop kicking at him and you realize.
No, I'm not kicking him.
Look, then put your feet inside. That's
No.
kicking him.
Your foot in the car.
Listen,
Put your
loosen
foot
loosen
in the
this.
car.
No, loosen this. It's hurting.
Put your feet, but leave your forces.
Listen, I'm not kicking you. No, loosen.
Put your feet
Just
in the
loosen
car.
this.
Put your foot in the
It's
car.
hurting my arms. I'm not kicking nobody.
Okay.
No, loosen it. It's hurting my arms.
Turn away from me.
No.
Turn away from me. How do you want me to
Don't
loosen it? You
don't
turn
tell
away
me I'm kicking him. That's when I'm not.
from me. Do you want me to loosen it or
Yes,
not?
loosen it.
Look away from me. So
Yeah, loosen
stop
it.
taking-
Back up.
No, loosen it now.
I tried to loosen it for her, but she kept pulling away.
Oh, she can get 1 count of battery, 1 count of resist, and 1 count of corruption by threat.
Speeding, alcohol use, and aggressive behavior create a dangerous combination. Most importantly, physical resistance or assault instantly changes the legal outcome of any police stop, and after the police confirmed that the female suspect was in the car. Christina Laboy, she was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting arrest with violence.